Prometheus, Techno Fighter. After Prometheus saw the lives of his criminal parents violently taken by a police officer, he dedicated his life to destroying the forces of justice and peace. He trained his body and mind to the peak of human ability before channeling his rage against the team that symbolized everything he hated, the Justice League. Vital stats: real name unknown, occupation villain, height 6 feet 5 inches, weight 180 pounds, base ghost zone, allies Lex Luthor in Justice League, foes Batman, Justice League of America. Deadly dilemma: Prometheus was once captured by the JLA. However, he had already set a number of bombs to explode and threatened to destroy their home cities unless they let him go. The JLA were forced to make the terrible decision to free their enemy. Powers: Prometheus has extensive knowledge of advanced technology. His helmet can mimic the abilities of any fighter imaginable, making him virtually unstoppable. Even without his helmet, he is a very skilled fighter. Over the years, Prometheus' mind has fragmented, leaving him more dangerous than ever. His helmet is always updated with the latest technology. Prometheus uses a powerful energy-charged nightstick in battle.